favorite team. Guys, I got a new car. I'm gonna go. Hardik is here. Oh my god. Sick. Hi you guys, I am so happy you're here. My name is Rian. Welcome back to my channel. Today is such a good day. Happy Sunday. I've had eggs for lunch. I've had my coffee. It's like 2:15. Skin is glowing. Hair is looking good. I styled it yesterday on my own. And I've gotten my first ever official invite from YouTube India for an event, which is insane because you guys know how much I've been like vlogging and doing all this stuff, and I'm just excited to be there. Happy, proud of myself, all of that stuff. And yeah, so I'm going today, and it's not just like any event, it's for something I really love. I'm going for this event called The Mix by Mumbai Indians, my favorite team since day one. Like since I've been watching IPL, I've loved them so much. My dad and I have watched IPL together for years. He's not coming with me today, but I will bring back pictures and memories for him. The sad part is that I can't carry my camera for the event, but the good part is that I do have a phone. So I'm going to vlog on my phone today. But I am also going to vlog like me getting ready and talk about how I'm feeling and all that stuff. I'm also super caffeinated. I made like the best, yummiest coffee today. Like I don't know, sometimes it just turns out better than other days, and today was one of those days. Loki, I want to wear heels, but I feel like I am going to be asking for trouble because I'm going to Geo Gardens, which is like a huge location, so it's going to be a lot of walking. And Sahil went yesterday, so I spoke to him and he said there's no place to sit, so heels is a bad idea, but I'm feeling like a rebel, like I want to wear them. Anyway, let's get ready. Just getting ready and deciding what to wear. I want to wear like a dress for sure. This is one option, but I find the length a little awkward. Like when it's ekdam seedha, it's too long. So I need to wear it like, you know, like this. Do we like it? I wish this was live and I could get your feedback because I have one more dress I'm gonna try it on and see. But I feel like denim and this shade of blue is most suitable for Mumbai Indians. Second option, this is a lot comfier. I'm confused, but these straps are thoda loose, they're falling. What should I do, guys? This is also looking cute only. How to decide? I think I'm gonna go with the denim just because it's blue. I have no other reason, both are looking good. This is also dark blue, but it's looking more like black on camera, and that is an issue for me because I am going to be filming a lot. I am going to put you all in time lapse and very jaldi get ready because I want to shoot some content for Instagram and YouTube shorts before I leave. Okay, I'm going to play music. Guys, I got a new car. I forgot to tell you all. Guys, I have just reached and parked and touched up my makeup and I'm going. I'm so excited. Let's go. Kanchi's also coming, guys. I was so stressed I was going to be alone because I don't usually go anywhere like without Kanchi or like without at least one person I know. Like Devshi Astha, someone has to be there. Wait, why? She's not sure if she's coming. I hope she comes. We got this. I can do it. I will meet some people and I can socialize, and I got this. So now I'm gonna leave the camera in the car and I'm gonna go. Where is Kanchi? Guys, Hardik is here. We're gonna find him. Sahil is gonna take me to.
Hardik Pandya is right here.
I'm not going in there. I'm not going. We are in the dugout. Only Sahil can do all this. Bro, this is actually crazy. Whoa.
They have some merch also, see?
I'll take for me, I'll take for my dad.
Yeah, you can.
Okay. Guys, I'm buying some jerseys and I'm customizing them. One for me, one for my dad. It's free. a massive jersey. All the trophies. Oh my god. Oh my god. You can take a picture with the team. I'm gonna go do this.
Okay. Yeah. Crazy. Let's go.
I'm fitting in. I'm part of the team.
Oh, the big fight.
Sahil's picture. Guys!
Because the way he operates, it was very fascinating. I thought, he's coming from West Indies, he'll have that flair, he'll be like spending money, he'll wearing gold chains and, but I come here and realize that he buys property. So that was one thing which was a, surprise for me.
Perfect city in the world to be talking property.
Yep, I'm still looking forward for Hardik to get me one here in Mumbai, so hopefully soon.
I mean, genuinely big shoes, literally, because genuinely uska bada pav hai. So to fill up that shoes is always going to be challenging. My brother did so well for Mumbai. I want to leave now. I was able to continue a little. Yes, I would like to continue his legacy and at the
Hi Riya. Hi Divya. What's up?
So you're sat here.
Chilling.
and
It's
you're
too hot
telling
now here.
These people, everyone, that you're like 110.
YouTube
Everyone
creators
who's
for
watching.
Mumbai. Thank you. Thank you for having me. Event is done. I have just reached and parked at Mallav's house. My parents are going out for dinner. I think we might join them, or we might go somewhere else, or we might just order something. I don't know. I'm kind of tired, honestly. I don't have the energy to do much. But it was a good day, and yeah, I really need to pee. So let's go. Enough.